Well, as you know, Amy, pharmacy is being attacked by technology on a positive way. Most of what we're seeing, or a lot of what we're seeing, are questions about can we use this technology, whether it's robots, whether it's automated filling, whether it's multi-calling of patients to assist in filling prescriptions. And so boards are wrestling with technology issues. The laws and the statutes are never keeping up with how fast technology is. So it's been good. It's one of the hot areas for the next few years, and we're going to see more and more clients trying to adapt new technology to existing rules.
Sure, and it seems like the buzzword lately is remote. Everybody's talking about things being remote and how to maximize space and optimize revenues and things of that nature. And so it raises a lot of important questions for our clients about what can they do remotely, how can they supervise remotely, and I think we're just going to continue to see questions like that arise. Licensing agencies are having a lot of issues with really trying to serve their mission of protecting the public and ensuring that all of the prescriptions are dispensed in a safe manner, and that they are charged with protecting the public. And so they're struggling with that charge, but also with the advances in technology and all of the advances that pharmacies are coming up with needs to have rural access. And so there are a lot of issues that come up when you have rural pharmacies that are trying to service patients in those rural areas, but you still have to struggle with appropriate supervision and the safety for those patients as well.
I mean, one of them is you have a group of states that are very open to new technology, new variances that are there. Some states have specific rules that allow you to deviate from the state's rules, or even in some cases the state statutes for experimentation and technology advances. So I've got that group of states who are very happy to look at what's best for the patient, what's allowed, and if they can show it's better for the patient, they'll let things happen. I've got another group of states who really are stuck on they must follow their specific statutes and regs, and until they're changed, they are going to interpret them exactly as written, even when the states acknowledge that they're outdated, they're actually causing more delays, more patient care harm that's coming from it. But the boards sometimes feel like their hands are tied because their states or their attorneys are preventing them from doing more progressive interpretations. One of the things that we get asked a lot by clients is, particularly folks who are new to the pharmacy sector, financial companies or the like, we want to set up a policy, we want to just have one set of rules that fits all. And that sounds great in purpose. It'd be much easier to have one set of rules for your pharmacies in all 50 states. But the problem is if you do that and you follow the strictest rules in all the states, you're at an economic significant disadvantage, because some states let you have make you have 2-to-1 technician ratio. Other states will go 4-to-1, and there's some states with no ratio. So if you're going to do it as a 2-to-1 ratio and compete with someone with a no ratio, you're going to be at a significant economic disadvantage. Other states let the technicians take new prescriptions on the phone or renewals of prescriptions, where there are certain states, frankly the majority, who prohibit that. So you've got to look at it and find what makes sense to follow on a national basis, and then what makes sense to do state by state.
Sure, and to loop this back to what we were discussing previously, a lot of states may be more lenient with remote or technology solutions that you could really capitalize on in your business model.